Hi guys, in today's video it's going to be a review and demo on the AeroGarden Harvest 360. I have had an AeroGarden in the past and I'm really excited that I got this one for my birthday from my husband. We've upgraded and we have the 6-pod all in one. So this here is the Harvest 360. It came with 6 herbs. And this is what it looks like. I really love the style and the sleekness to it. They have the add plant food sensor, the add water, and the light on and off. In the back is the pump and the power source where you just plug the cable in there and then you plug the other part into the wall. And I really like how you can adjust the height with this button. Before, on my previous one, you just had to pull up on it, but this one actually has a button that you press in. And here are the different lights, since this is LED. And here's the inside of the bowl, which is really big. So I'm just filling it up with water before I put the pods inside. And here are the pods that came with it, the herbs. It comes with the instructions as well as all the herbs. They're all different. It comes with the 6 dome lids as well as some plant food. And since I have the 6-pod, I follow the instructions on the back of this. So here are just some herbs. It says short, medium, and tall, and I like to adjust them in my AeroGarden accordingly. Obviously the taller ones in the back, the shorter ones in the front. And once those are nice and adjusted, I just secure them with the dome lid on top. And then you just plug it in. Obviously you want to make sure your food is in there, and you just turn it on and let it do its thing. I like how it's very low maintenance. It will let you know when it needs to be fed, when you need to have more water. And yeah, it's very easy to clean. And I love these sensors. Thank you for watching.